Hey everybody, it's Vanita here. I'm just outside my friend's cafe in the parking lot at Coco's Nest. You can't get a really good view of it, but I'm just going to hit Rundle Park now and go enjoy a walk, so I'm going to post some more videos in a bit here. Thanks. See the reverse. Hey, it's Vanita here. I'm just outside Grace's cafe at Coco's Nest, and I'm just kind of taking a view here. Can't really get much, it's the parking.
The soul gets better. You and I know how we're gonna get there. Slow it down, say
Here's a view of Rundle Park. I'm just walking through the park. I'm going to walk this bridge. It's a little bit of a cool day, but it's still really nice. The sun was out. It kind of is hiding behind a bit of a cloud right now. But for the end of March, we have really nice spring weather, and I'm not wearing a winter jacket, just a sweater. So I'm just going to walk this bridge, and I'll post some more in a bit here. Hi, it's Vanita here. I'm on this bridge that's by Rundle Park on the north side of the city here, northeast actually. And I'm on the Ainsworth Dyer Bridge. And I don't know if you can see back here, there's a bit of a lake. It's actually here in Edmonton. And it's really gorgeous out. It's a little cool, but I'm enjoying this walk across this bridge. So just enjoying the weather and getting some good sun out here. Sun's behind a cloud right now, but it was out and it was beautiful. And yeah, we'll talk to you later. It's actually the North Saskatchewan River, and you can see there's still ice in there, but there's some water, and it's the end of March, and you know, it's still early spring, so we're not expecting it to be really, really warm yet, but we've had a really beautiful day today. And I'm just taking a walk across this bridge. As you can see, it's really pretty. And it's nice to have this long walk and get my exercise. So I'm going to get to the end here and I'll show you the rest.